I never made it.
Good morning, YouTube. Alrighty, so today it looks like we're gonna do some shopping, and I gotta get dressed and have some breakfast. Alrighty, let's get going. Alrighty, it's hard to tell now, but I was just cracking eggs, and I only cracked 3, and there was 4. Looks like today's gonna be a lucky day. I'm gonna get ready. Gotta watch Netflix and eat first. Yeah. Alrighty, I am ready for the day. Let's get shopping. I forgot my keys in my pocket. There we go. It has been raining like crazy for the past like 2 weeks in the part of state of Washington that I live in. Our creek we live next to has completely flooded. It is raised like 3 feet than it normally is. We're also forecast the start of next week maybe for a frick ton of snow. And I just happen to live... Oh god, you guys slipped. Hold on, I can save this. Oh god! Okay, yeah. So I'm going to do more of like a time lapse while I'm inside because I know that it's, I guess, frowned upon to film inside of stores. So I guess you'll see my shopping experience very quickly. Alrighty, well, couldn't record much, but I got what I came for. Now we're just gonna unload everything in to the back of the truck, because it's easy enough to do that. Oh, I just ripped the bag open. Oh well. Look at my boots. Those are my hiking boots I keep back here just in case. Yeah. Alrighty, get you on the road. See, it just does that every time I start it. Not actually broken. Oh, my seatbelt's not on. You didn't see that. It's been raining like crazy. Past couple weeks, a couple days, whatever I said. That's how flooded our little creek is. So, I got home, got all the groceries unloaded, and my mom said, hey, could you run a package in to town for me? And so I got home, turned right around. Alrighty. Bye package. And now homeward bound for the outro. Alrighty guys, and that does it for today's adventure. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed. And as always, see you in tomorrow's video. Our neighbors have a llama. You can't see it because I didn't press record.